Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Douchebag Backpack Pro in the color Blackout. DB Journey, Douchebag, whatever you want to call it. Alright, let's get right into it. Came in a little plastic bag that we can luckily get it out of really quickly, and then it's like all made together. Let's see if I can, with like these kind of hangers, but you can get it out pretty easily. The other side as well. It's a bit bad because it's like black on black, so I'm sure you can't like see a lot. Let's get it out. Here we go, and then the middle one is one like this. Alright, well, I'm gonna try to put the camera down. Alright, it's a little close now, but we can manage, Whoop. Alright, here we go. This is the backpack. Let's try to open it. Oh, I can feel the zippers are still a bit tough to open. But here we go. Something is still like inside here, I think. It's this stuff down here. So the hip belt and that stuff here. So let's try to put it down without the hip belt. Whoa. Still something inside. I think this is just the back cushion thingy. But there are lots of nice features, I swear. So what does it say up here? The info, little thank you note from DB, from Douchebag. And yeah, it's actually pretty reasonable. It has to like open up a bit first because it's all like weirdly shaped because it was tucked together like this much, but I'm sure that this would be an amazing, maybe like this, and maybe there is something inside here still. Let's check it out. Let's check out the side zipper. Actually no, but yeah, so the padding here is really well on the back, I must admit. Yeah, I think let me get this into a nice order, and let's have it like this. Alright, well, this was the unboxing of the Douchebag Backpack Pro. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sure there are lots of other videos up there on YouTube. This was only a quick overview. The others can do other videos much better than me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like on the video and have a nice day. Bye bye.